Hi, I'm Frank Vitale, President and CEO of Forge Business Solutions. I'm excited to share a new initiative of the partnership today.
Hi, I'm Eric Carlson. I'm the Vice President of Economic Development Services for the Morgantown Area Partnership. In today's business briefing, we're going to take a look at Morgantown Area Partnership's brand new jobs website, and we'll be speaking with Frank Vitale about how local businesses and most importantly local employees can be taking advantage of this new tool. We'll also be looking at the town of Star City and what great things they've got going on in their community. And finally, we'll be looking at the Best of Morgantown, an inside look at Nicky Bowman Mills and Morgantown Magazine's annual salute to all that is great here in Morgantown. And don't forget, visit our website to become a member of the Morgantown Area Partnership.
In an attempt to provide local jobs for local residents, the Morgantown Area Partnership, in coordination with the Monongalia County Commission, is pleased to announce the launch of a new job portal on their website.
I'm pleased to inform you that the jobs portal is going very well. It's being embraced across the region, and we now have over 2,300 jobs posted on that website. So we couldn't be more excited.
The Morgantown Mall has used the jobs website to post positions leading up to the holiday season.
It's been truly instrumental in helping to not only spread with market awareness about the positions that we had available, but also in sourcing additional applicants.
The jobs portal and the website is really an example of many tools that the Workforce Development Committee hopes to be able to bring to the region. Because with feedback from our key employers, we intend to respond to the needs of our workforce to make sure that we're able to grow our population, grow our community, and that the partnership can be a valuable resource to everyone.
Sponsored by the Monongalia County Commission, all Mon County employers and members of the partnership will receive free access to the portal for posting any and all job opportunities. Visit our website for more information. This month's community feature highlights the town of Star City and one of its leading businesses for more than 10 years, the Wow Factory.
My name is Monica McGraw, and I'm the manager here at the Wow Factory. Star City's been a great home for the Wow Factory for going on 14 years. We have several different projects. We get things for all ages. We can turn little footprints into keepsakes. We have the Christmas trees like your grandma used to have that a lot of people have been making in recent years, kind of hitting that nostalgic nerve, really just helping people make memories with each other here in the community.
Several local businesses in the Morgantown area were filled with excited shoppers and interested customers for Small Business Saturday, a national holiday celebrated annually on the Saturday after Thanksgiving. Appalachian Mercantile of Granville recently stepped onto the scene as an important business to the small community and is thankful for the warm and welcoming support they've received from nearby patrons.
I think it's really neat that there's a day now, that's a day. We celebrate Small Business Saturday. We remind people, when you're shopping, to support small, shop local.
The Monongalia County Commission has been working hard to get better broadband access to homes and local businesses throughout Mountaineer Country. After an extensive survey has been conducted and received a sufficient response, the County Commission will roll out a comprehensive plan for broadband access, hopefully by sometime in February. The Commission is encouraging all Morgantown and Monongalia County residents to take part in the survey.
You log in and take the survey. It asks you for your address. It asks you for what level of service you think you're getting or you're paying for. And then it'll do a speed test and make that comparison as far as what you're actually getting.
Thus far, nearly 2,000 surveys have been submitted.
It could really help open up a lot of parts of our county to, people, live where they can have access. Because a lot of people, especially with COVID, have to work at home. So, access to internet is important when we're doing economic development.
The survey is online now and can be taken in its entirety at monfiber.servicezones.net. This month, we're featuring Bourbon Prime's signature cocktail. Overlooking the water vistas of the Mon River at the Marriott at the Waterfront Place, one sip of this cocktail, and you're transported into the scenic flavors of West Virginia.
We're bringing you a lovely bourbon cocktail today, our version of an old-fashioned that we call our Almost Heaven. It's made with our own bourbon, which is Country Roads. Country Roads is blended specifically for us by Woodford Reserve. That's one of the things that I enjoy doing, is talking to guests, because their reaction is, wow, what is that? They're very intrigued. You serve one at the bar on a Friday night and 5 or 6 more get ordered almost immediately. That show with the smoke is kind of the intriguing factor there.
Call to make a reservation today and celebrate the wonderful flavors of Morgantown. The Morgantown Area Partnership is sponsoring the annual poll for the Morgantown Magazine Best of Morgantown Survey. Voting ended in November, and the winners will be recognized in February of 2022.
The reason the Best of Morgantown is so popular in our community is because it matters to the businesses. It provides a great marketing tool for them. They can promote themselves as what we call the bomb. This year we have 101 different categories, from best dentist to best pizza to best bartender. We cover every category imaginable.
Burks Outlet and Home Centric held a ribbon cutting on Thursday, November 18th, as one of the newest businesses to the community of Morgantown.
We are so excited, and we have been warmly welcomed by the entire Morgantown community. We have everything to outfit yourself, your children, your pets. We have home decor for your home, so just about everything that you might need. We've been able to bring between 30 and 35 jobs to the area for this company.
Welcome Burks Outlet and Home Centric. This month's investor partner highlight is Mon Health and their gifted healthcare leaders, as well as the Village at Heritage Point, an independent and assisted living center.
So for more than 75 years, Mon Health Medical Center, or Mon General, has been providing stellar care to our community, from delivering little babies, taking care of people with cancer, taking people with cardiac, helping people through their healthcare journey, and we couldn't be more pleased with our role to keep our community as healthy and vibrant as it can be. And one of the most wonderful things we did more than 20 years ago is the Village at Heritage Point was created to provide a home for independent living, now with assisted living, for our seniors.
We love our residents and they love us, and it's family taking care of family.
This month's member spotlight is Oliverio's Ristorante, located in the Wharf District, where they love to make people happy with food.
It really means a lot for us to be a part of Morgantown and the community. We also try to contribute to the community to any charitable events, and we just really love being here and being a part of things. We've got a lot of dishes on our menu that people have just come to love. If we would ever take them off of our menu, they would probably be pretty upset. Just that love that we put into all of our food that we make. You can really tell that that's there.
Remember to mark your calendars. Our annual awards dinner will be taking place on January 27th of 2022 from 5 to 8:30 p.m. at the Morgantown Marriott at Waterfront Place. Register online today.